Hey guys, so this is the Samsung Galaxy A56 that we got to check out at Samsung's booth in MWC 2025. So the Galaxy A56 has a few notable upgrades from its predecessor, and that includes a much slimmer and lighter body. I can definitely feel the lighter weight as compared to the previous model, and it is really slim to hold. Now what I like here is that it retains this bulge that the Galaxy A55 has, so once you lay your hands on the power button and the volume rocker, it actually has a very familiar feeling. And also it has a new camera bump here that sets it apart from the Galaxy S25 series, which is actually a good thing because otherwise you probably wouldn't know that you are using a Galaxy A series. So let me know if you like this new bump on the back here. So on the front we have got the same 6.7-inch AMOLED display that refreshes at 120 Hz. The Galaxy A56 is powered by an Exynos 1580 chip with up to 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. So as usual, Samsung is showing off a list of AI stuff on the Galaxy A56, and one of the cool features here is the best face feature. So notice that I have a photo here of some random guys, and look at this guy, he's having his eyes closed. So if we just tap on this Galaxy AI button, we can just tap on this choose best face, and once it analyzes like a couple of photos that you have taken in your phone, and it will let you select the faces that you want to swap. So here we go. So you can have this faces to swap. So let's say if I tap on this, and it's going to take a while. So there you go. See, his eyes is open. It's actually pretty cool. So once you're done, tap on save and everything is set. Now the second cool feature here is the cameras. Now even though Samsung has not upgraded the camera hardware of the Galaxy A56, but there are just some cool features that you can do right here, such as saving a filter directly from a photo. So what you can do here is that when you tap on this, and once you go into filters right here, you can add a preset filter from the photos that you have taken before. So let's try that out. So let's tap on the plus button. So we have a couple of pictures right here. So let's say if I head on over to portrait and I prefer this as my preferred filter, and once I tap on it, it immediately uses AI to understand what is the color tone that I've set and all that. I can name my filter. So in this case, let's just name it filter W, all right, and press rename. And once it's done, I'm just going to press done, and this is going to be the image preset of this photo that's being applied to the current shot, which is something really cool. So other notable upgrades of the Galaxy A56 includes faster 45-watt charging, which is the very first time that the Galaxy A series features such fast charging, though its battery capacity remains at 5,000 mAh. And as usual, Samsung is offering up to 7 years of OS and security upgrades, which makes this quite a good investment. Alright, so this is a very quick first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A56 at MWC 2025. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next one.